guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about Dr. Bloomfield. And if you guys don't know who Dr. Bloomfield is, he is a PNP counselor that Bloomfield was responsible for the Portmore part of Jamaica, and he was a PNP counselor. But the person that they actually released, and I did a whole story about that. It was actually a guy that had a whole family. He had a girlfriend and a kid, and the last messages Dr. Bloomfield got allegedly was from him demanding luxurious car for their weekend getaway and all this stuff. Well, story come to bump, and it says the man who was initially picked up as a person of interest in relation to the murder of Dr. Linval Bloomfield, the member of parliament for Portland Eastern, has again been arrested by police. Sources disclosed that the individual, said to be in his 20s, was picked up after scientific evidence reportedly linked him to the scene of the crime. He is to be questioned again by investigators. The man, who is said to frequent Buff Bay in Portland and Antony Bay in St. Mary, was initially arrested on Wednesday, February 13th by investigators from the Major Investigative Division, MID. And if you guys watch my Vibes Cartel video, will know exactly what I think about MID, who are leading the murder probe. He was reportedly questioned by the investigators for several hours the following day. According to sources, during the initial questioning, the individual admitted to have been with Dr. Bloomfield several hours before Bloomfield's nude body was discovered with stab wounds at his Paisley Gardens home in Portland. However, the man denied knowing anything about the killing. He was released from police custody on Thursday afternoon, February 14. Dr. Bloomfield's body was found by one of his household employees about 10:30 a.m. on Saturday, February 2nd. A post-mortem report established that two-term MP had received 20 stab wounds. 2 knives were recovered at the politician's home, along with a vest that was found in the bushes near the premises, were sent for forensic testing. Bloomfield was laid to rest last Saturday, and let me just tell you, his political party came out. They did not come to play, okay? They came out in their Lamborghini and all these things, which I'm gonna do a video on. Stay tuned up for that one. But they finally arrested this boy. Dr. Bloomfield is older, and this boy is in his 20s, and it's alleged that he has a girlfriend and a kid. This is the part of Jamaica that needs to be on the forefront, because they have this tendency to put Jamaica in a box and say how Jamaica is homophobic and stuff, when in truth and in fact that is not the reality. That is not what it is at all. You have too many downloads, you two have too many people hiding, doing what they're doing, and this is the reason why Jamaica is the way it is right now. Condolence goes out to Dr. Bloomfield and his whole family, but sometimes you call certain things on yourself. You're older. What are you doing with a 20-something-year-old boy? And this boy doesn't seem like he's mature and he's productive and progressive. He seems more like the type that want things, according to his social media page and according to everything that I've seen. He's more like the flashy guy with the tight up pants and the Gucci shoes and the hat and all of that. He don't seem like a mature person that could actually be with somebody that's older. He seemed like a user to me. But anyway, they locked him up. They say forensic evidence linked him to the crime scene, and a lot of people had already on the street said that he was the last one with Bloomfield. So I knew they were going to arrest somebody, especially with a politician. Well, if it's a politician, police, or pastor, they always arrest somebody in Jamaica. The 3 P's, okay? They always find somebody to hold responsible. But anyway, comment your comments in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. And sorry if you can hear my son in the background making a whole bunch of noise. But the show must go on. Thank you, guys.